Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find reels on Instagram. So I'm in Instagram story camera and you should be seeing reels here, but it's not there. So what we have to do, let's close Instagram and you have to open a VPN. Connect to UK or USA. Okay, we are connected to UK. Now let's go and open Instagram. Okay, now let's open Instagram camera, and as you can see we got the reels. Now tap on reels and you can tap on get started to start using reels. Okay, and to check the reels video you can go to your explorer, and in explorer you will see reels. Tap on this and use swipe up or swipe down to see the videos. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get reels on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.